Let's also talk about Hasbro. That company reported numbers as well. Those shares are also down about 2.5%. And you see there the numbers, sort of a flip of what we saw with some of the others here. So second quarter earnings beat analyst estimates, revenue coming in a little light of estimates there. 15% growth in tabletop gaming in second quarter. It also completed a deal to acquire the Dungeons and Dragons. So that should serve as a growth driver for the company. But it was Wizards of the Coast that was responsible for the biggest boost in the company's numbers, and Magic the Gathering as well. Another classic role-playing and card game there, but it didn't help overall with the figures there. So decelerating, even though Wizards of the Coast is doing well, the company says this full year, it will have high single-digit to low double-digit revenue growth, which would be a deceleration of what it saw last year.
Right. Also here, entertainment segment revenues, that was impacted heavily in this most recent quarter, declined 18%, and it was really driven by the sale of the music business, and so it kind of gives you a little bit of an insight into how much that music business was actually really relied on for their entertainment segment. But coming back to the digital gaming segment there, this is a category that Hasbro is going to continue to lean into. I continue to think of this broader kind of gaming space, if you will, as one, and especially for kind of Hasbro and Mattel, one that is two different categories. It's tabletop and tablet. And for the tablet side of the business, or any type of gaming element that they're going to be able to continue to move forward with, that digital gaming segment is going to be continued to looked at by investors for the margins that can be provided because of those in-game sales that can also take place on top of titles that Hasbro or Mattel or I don't want to say a Funko, but that they may have some type of ability to continue to produce those titles, develop, and then additionally see even more of that incremental revenue on top of the in-game experience as well.
Yeah, well, so far it doesn't look like that, that's working out in terms of the stock reaction, at least with those shares.
Exactly.